Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 2 Greater Cumulative Inland Jewelers. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, and many more online courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. I am handling many students courses on Pearson, Engagement Tab, Blackboards, Humber College, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. We will go to the MyItLab Pearson, go to the assignments and click on Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Grader Inland Jewelers. We will click on Continue button. Okay, we will download our files in our PC download folder. Click on download materials button, click on download all file button. All file will be downloaded our download folders. We will go to our downloads folder. We will open first instruction file. Okay, click on enable editing button and then we will increase the font size of this file for a proper view in this video. Okay, it will be zooming. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Inland Jeweler 1.1. You can see this is title of assignment as under this project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now we will move on question number 1. The question number 1 is that start Excel download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will download Excel workbook from Pearson MyItLab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Okay. Now I am going to open my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. Okay, click on enable editing button. This file is open right now. Now I am going to start second question of this assignment. The second question of this assignment has 10 points. Now I am starting. Insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from the system. Okay, insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from the system. We will click on cell B2 and then we will insert a function to display the current date from your system. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell B2, press is equal to, go to the formulas tab. In the function library group, we will click on date and time button. Okay, first we will click on cell B2, then we will go to the formulas tab. In the function and library group, click on date and time button. We will click on today function. Then we will press click on OK. It will be show current date. Now we will go to the next point is question number 3. I have done 2 questions right now. The question number 3 is that with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. Okay, with cell B2 selected, set the width of column B to auto fit. We will click on cell column B, go to the home tab, and then we will select column B to auto fit. Go to the home tab. In the cells group, we will click on format button and then click on auto fit column width. Now I am going to do next question is question number 4. The question 4 is that insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the rank cost for the first student. Insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5 to display the rank cost for first student. The cost of the rank tab should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Basically, in this question, we will go to the cell C5 and then we will insert a VLOOKUP function in cell C5. We will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell C5, press is equal to, then enter, okay, press is equal to, and then enter VLOOKUP function. Okay, VLOOKUP function B5 is ring tab, then A16 is silver. First we will select ring tab, then we will silver and B19. Okay, A16 to B19 ring tab with cost. Okay, and 2 and statement is false. Okay, then we will enter statement is false. You can see here. Okay, we will press enter, then it will be find cost in cell C5. You can see cost is 400. Now the next point is that the cost of ring is found here. Now moving on question number 5. The question number 5 is that fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C16. Okay, we will fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. We will go to our Excel workbook. Use fill handle to cell C11. Okay. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. You can see on my PC screen I have done 5 questions right now. The question number 6 of this assignment is that apply a counting number format to the range C5 to C11. We will select this range and then we will apply a counting number format on this range. We will go to the home tab. In the number group we will click on accounting number format button. Accounting number format will be applied on this range. Now I am going to do question number 7 of this assignment. You can see insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. Okay, insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due if the student has chosen a personalized ring. Okay, insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due the student has chosen to personalize the ring. There is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21. Okay, that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pays the base price. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Simply, we will go to cell E5. Then we will insert an if function. We will go to cell E5, press is equal to insert an if function. Okay, if into the logical is d5 is equal to test is true. Okay, into the value c5 is cost plus into c5 cost multiplying by okay b21 and c5 okay okay it press enter, it will be find total in cell E5. You can see I have entered a formula. Now fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. Okay, fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. Okay, we will press I have entered this formula and then I have found this value. Now fill this handle to cell E11. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 9. Apply a counting number format to the range E5 to E11. Simply we will select this range E5 to E11. Okay, we will go to the home tab. In the number group, click on a counting number format button. It will be apply counting number format on these cells. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. You can see here I have done this question so well. Now question number 10 is that insert a PMT function in cell G5 to calculate the first student monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Ensure the result is a positive number. Okay. Insert a PMT function in cell G5 to calculate the first student's monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Ensure the result is a positive number. You can see here. Simply we will go to the cell G5 and then we will insert a PMT function in cell G5. Click on cell G5, press is equal to enter PMT function. Now 1 second, we will insert a PMT function in cell G5 into the range is given B. Okay, its absolute value into $sign B22 divided by 12. Okay, okay. Okay, then we will 5 multiplying by 12 minus E5. E5 is totals. Then we will press enter. It will be find monthly payment in cell G5. You can see here I have find monthly payment in cell G5. Now the total question of this assignment is 15. I just show you 10 to 11 question. But I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to submit my assignment and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. We will select I have saved in this folder. Now click on open, click on upload. Then I will show my grade. Please focus on my PC screen and see my grade. Okay, you can see now I'm uploading and I will show my grade. Inland Jewelers. This was the Excel chapter 2 greater cumulative inland jeweler. Click on continue button. You can see I have got 100% grade in this assignment. It's mean I have got A plus grade in this assignment. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. I am handling many students courses on Cengage, MyItLab, Pearson, MyItLab, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your other courses. My lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, and many more online courses. I will provide you A plus grade. I will do your all assignments, all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.